6 months ago, I had to ask AI to do everything. Now it briefs me before I even start in the morning. Until recently, everything I did with my AI tools required me taking control, me instigating the process, copy pasting, moving files, everything came with a little bit of friction. Now my workflow with AI has completely changed. I sit down now with a cup of coffee, I read my morning brief, my AI tells me what's ahead, it's read my emails from yesterday, it's given me guidance on what I need to think about today. It's gone from being a chatbot to a true co-worker, a true personal assistant. The biggest shift isn't necessarily speed, it's the ability for your AI to actually take actions on your behalf, to learn from what we did yesterday, to gain context that compounds over time. That's a fundamental shift from where AI has been. Most business leaders still think of AI as a glorified Google. They don't realize how far the technology has actually come over the last 6 months and how fast it's actually developing and how much it can do for them in their role today. This gap in understanding means that businesses are making decisions based on the past technology, not on where it is today. What does it look like when AI can control your computer systems, when it can actually run your filing system? What governance do you need? What experience do you need within your team? The first thing that needs to change for your leadership team is understanding where the technology is today. Not yesterday, not 6 months ago. It's fundamentally changed. The rules have changed. The impacts it's having on businesses has actually changed. The gap between the haves and the have-nots is increasing every day. If your AI strategy is built around chatbots, you're solving yesterday's problems. Update your mental model first, everything else follows.